Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money online for free worldwide. Yes, you heard me correctly. Anywhere in the world you are, all you'll need is internet access, and with the website that I'm about to talk about, you'll be able to earn money. The website that I'm talking about is SWAGBUCKS. All you'll need to do is go on swagbucks.com. Whether you're on your phone, laptop, or PC, simply type in SWAGBUCKS. And once on swagbucks.com, all you'll have to do is enter your email address and create a password, and that's it. Or you can sign up with your Facebook account, as you can see right here, by simply tapping on sign up with Facebook. And once you have signed up, you'll be led to this page on which you'll be able to look on the numerous offers that are available and the different ways that you can make money with SWAGBUCKS. As you can see right here, you'll be able to get paid to shop. You can also do surveys, you can play games, and you can also select sign-ups. So by simply scrolling down on the dashboard here, you can see the numerous games that you'll be able to play and start earning money. And by the way, when you see the 10SB, that stands for 10 SWAGBUCKS, as you'll be able to earn SWAGBUCKS, and then you'll convert that into PayPal money, or you can convert it into a gift card if you like. And also you can see that you'll be able to earn up to 5,000 SWAGBUCKS by simply tapping on any one of these offers from their trusted partners. And here you'll be able to get paid cashback for shopping. So if you like to shop on Walmart, eBay, or if you like to buy tickets on Ticketmaster, you'll be able to get some cashback while you shop. And who doesn't like to shop online at the moment? So why not get some cashback while doing that? And you can see that SWAGBUCKS has partnered with numerous big name companies, as you can see here, from Amazon to Home Depot, Kohl's, numerous big name companies. They have partnerships with them, and you'll be able to earn some cash back. And also when it comes to SWAGBUCKS, you'll be able to get a good amount of money by sharing your referral link. As you can see right here, refer your friends and family and earn 10% of their earning for the lifetime of their account. So what I would recommend you do after signing up with SWAGBUCKS, not only will you be playing games to make money, but I recommend that you share your referral link and start making money by inviting your friends and family. Because come on, it's good to share, right? Sharing is caring. And not only will you be sharing and giving them the opportunity to earn easy money online, but you will also be getting a 10% of the cut that they are earning. It's as simple as that. So definitely try out swagbucks.com, as it's a legit website and a legit way how to make PayPal money or to earn Amazon gift cards if you like. All you'll have to do once you have earned some SWAGBUCKS, you'll simply go over to the top right hand corner and you'll tap on your profile pic, as you can see right here, and you'll simply tap on redeem your SWAGBUCKS. And from here you can choose the different ways how you would like to redeem it, whether you would like to convert it to PayPal money or you would like to convert it to a gift card. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and why not give SWAGBUCKS a try. Thank you for watching.